Hello and welcome to Random Rail Enthusiast, and today something a little bit different on the channel. As you can see, I'm not in the UK, but in fact in the country of Norway, and more specifically in the town of Andalsnes. So let's go and see what this railway station has to offer. Andalsnes is located near the end of Isefjord, and as such the railway terminates here. You can see that once leaving the station it loops around the base of a mountain before heading south. The lines to the docks are now not in use, and the dotted line over the station is a cable car. The station is built on reclaimed land and was constructed with help from a temporary 35 and 24 inch gauge railway. Started around 1912, the station would eventually open in 1924 with a very desirable station building designed by Gudmund Hull. An engine shed made of natural stone was also included, and thus this became one of the grander looking stations along the Ramen line, with the station building boasting not only a ticket office but also a restaurant with a patio. The station building was fully renovated in 2011, including facilities to better transfer passengers from cruise ships and buses, plus a complete upgrade of the track and elevators in the building. Although the goods yard is not used, tracks still remain, and it can be used for emergency storage of both rolling stock and locomotives. There are only 4 passenger services each day, and these are using Class 93 trains. The station building itself has been excellently restored, and as you can see, there is an ATM outside the front steps. You will also find a post box situated here. A very short walk away is a statue commemorating the workers on the railway. The inside of the station building is clean and bright. It has some toilets and also seating areas. You can also find some lockers. On the platform there is plenty of station signage, including this notice board. You will also find a comprehensive electronic information board. This view from a nearby road bridge shows the extensive siding network, a lot of which is still used. And this is the view away from the station, approaching that huge curve. What you see here is Norway's, and I think the world's, only train carriage chapel. A gift from the Norwegian railway company, it has been lovingly restored and converted into a place of worship and contemplation. You can see it is in fantastic condition and a real credit to the owners. On entering you really get a sense of calm inside here, and after only a few minutes start to feel the need to sit for a moment of reflection. I will stay silent for a little bit in order for you to appreciate this, and also read the plaque which is near the entrance door. Let's take a look at the Class 93 diesel multiple unit. Mostly a 2-car unit, they were built by Bombardier between 2000 and 2003. The trains have a tilting function to allow for faster speeds on traditional lines. The interiors contain a small vending machine for refreshments. Overall they look fantastic, but have been criticised in the past for being too cramped. Despite the lack of rolling stock, Andalsnes is a fantastic railway station to visit. The refurbished station itself is very well looked after. The scenery is fantastic, and of course photography and videography work very well at this station. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.